In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a football match poster in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-download football match poster with team names, logos, match details, and a clear layout you can share or print. First, open Canva. If you're using a browser, go to canva.com. If you have the app, open it from your device. Next, click Create a Design. You'll find this button in the top right corner. Select Poster Template or Custom Size. Choose Poster. To start with a standard poster canvas, or choose Custom Size if you already know the exact dimensions you need. Confirm the size to open your design. Choose a sports or football template or start blank. In the Templates panel on the left, type football or soccer to filter relevant designs, then click a template to apply it. If you prefer full control, choose a blank canvas and you'll build from scratch. Add team names and logos. Double-click any text on the template to replace it, and type your team names. To add logos, open the Uploads tab on the left, upload your logo files, then drag each logo onto the canvas. Resize by dragging the corners and position them clearly so they're easy to read at a glance. Add match date, time, and venue. If your template already has placeholders, replace that text. If not, click text on the left, add a heading or subheading, and type the date, kickoff time, and location. Keep these details grouped together and prominent so viewers find them quickly. Insert football-themed images or icons. Click elements on the left and search for terms like football, soccer ball, pitch, or stadium. Drag in an image or icon that matches your style. Place it so it supports the information instead of covering it. If needed, right-click and use Send to Back or Bring to Front to control layering. Customize colors, fonts, and layout. So select a background or element and use the color picker to match your team colors. Select text to change the font, size, and weight from the toolbar. Adjust alignment, spacing, and margin so everything looks balanced. If elements feel crowded, increase spacing or reduce sizes slightly. Keep contrast high, dark text on a light background or the other way around, so it's readable from a distance. Add effects or shapes for emphasis. With text selected, click Effects to apply options like shadow or outline for extra clarity. To highlight key details, open elements and add simple shapes such as rectangles or circles. Place them behind text and lower their transparency so the text stays readable while standing out. Preview the poster. Zoom out to see the full layout and check that the team names, date, time, and venue are all clear. Look for any alignment issues, typos, or elements that are too close to the edges. I'll make quick adjustments now so the exported file is clean. Click Share arrow Download. You'll find Share in the top right corner. Choose Download from the menu. Select PNG, JPG, or PDF. PNG is great for high-quality digital sharing. JPG is a smaller file for web or social media, and PDF works well if you plan to print. Pick the format that fits your use case. Click Download. Wait a moment while Canva prepares the file, then it will save to your device. Your football match poster in Canva is now complete and ready to share or print. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.